Hi folks, it's Mike with Kitchen Tips Online, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to clean a cast iron skillet in about 90 seconds. I know what you're thinking, that sounds impossible, but watch me. I'm going to clean the cast iron skillet I used to make roasted chicken on the grill. Using a cast iron skillet to cook chicken on the grill at very high temperature reduces the cooking time to about 30 minutes. But it leaves behind a pan that would normally be very difficult to clean. That is until now. Let's get started. We'll start by putting this crusty cast iron skillet in the middle of the sink. I spray it with Dawn Power Wash, but you can use just about any dish detergent you have available. Next, fill up the pan with hot tap water. I use a single-edge razor blade to clean my cast iron skillet, and you'll be amazed at how well it works. Single-edge razor blades are very stiff and you don't have to worry about scratching the pan since it's cast iron. By the way, you can also use this method on stainless steel pans, but you definitely don't want to try this on any non-stick surface. Believe it or not, it's just that simple. It should take you less than a minute to scrape everything loose in the pan. Then all you need to do is rinse it, put it on a hot stovetop burner to dry it, and then add a couple of drops of oil to keep it from rusting. If you want to see more videos like this, I invite you to subscribe. Thanks for watching.